so I'm in the shirt my kids got me. Thanks, kids. And my goal today is to get all of this cleaned up, vacuum out these drawers, clean them out, so I can start storing stuff in there, get the cabinets cleaned out, get the tabletop here cleaned out, so we can start with our actual making projects. So I'm gonna move all this stuff, then get the shop back in here, then get going. So I am just gonna time lapse this because it is hot and I have fans going and the audio just wouldn't be good. So here we go, let's roll. I don't want to do this and I get stuff done better when I think someone's watching, which is weird. It's ADD. I don't want to do this, but I get stuff better when I don't want to do this, but I'm better at getting stuff done when I'm with other people. So thanks for being here. Let's get it. All right, I turned off the fans. We got some fun old manuals in here. Project organizer, this is kind of cute. So I'll go through and clean this out. Make sure there's no treasure. I gotta vacuum that out still. But I have a surface I can work with now. Also, I need to figure out what I want to do for insulation up there. Up there, you can see daylight through what would have been a soffit. So it's gonna take some work. Also, these are all really hot light bulbs. I gotta replace them with LEDs and yeah, we'll be good. These skylight things actually work pretty cool as long as they don't leak. All right, let's get this cleaned up. Let's see, there's holes and stuff. This is like super solid, but not flat or level, which is pretty fine. Fairly happy. So vinegar is actually really good at killing mold. Also, at finding where there's fasteners just drilled into this thing. So yeah, stinky, but not moldy. One thing that was great is that I didn't find a lot of mouse poop in here, which is gross. So I'm glad I didn't find it. Okay. Let's bring you around. Clean up. Oh, so these are for my fencing project. What's over here? Bad man pajamas. Oh, black vinegar. Wood screws are not cheap, guys. Stuff really adds up. Let's look here. Oh, no, not the same size. Okay, so you guys will get it. All right. Single drywall screw. These are the sun. Perfect. Yeah. Nice. Are these this? Nope. Hey, that was easier than I thought it would be. Heck yeah. Alright, start. Remember I said fix what bugs you? So we are going to get something to put my screws in. So we have, is that a 3-inch? Yeah, okay, 3-inch. Wait. Oh, alright, these are all both 3 inches. 3-inch, both star. Okay, different colors. 3-inch, 1 5/8, and 1 1/4. Alright, let's get these things pretty double. Actually, before I leave the shop, I'll just put my fuses in here. Should be square Ds. Here I'll have a whole electronics section. Electronics, great. So I like to organize my stuff. This is screwy. This is drilly. So all my screwy stuff will be together. All my drilly stuff will be together. All my adhesives, I call sticky stuff, that'll be together. All my abrasives, like my sandpaper, all my scratchies, those will be together. Simple. All right, so I thought we were done, but we're not, because we are so close. We gotta finish this. So, I think we'll do drilling, no, screwing here, drilling here. So, oh hey, good news is a bunch of my vinegar is now in this drawer. So let's finish cleaning this out. Razor blade, that's nice. A little bit, not really, steel, Allen key. Do you guys call these cotter pins? Trailer pins? Use that actually. Yeah. Oh, right. Okay. This one I'm going to drown. Ta-da! All right, we'll do that after. Nice. All right, good work.